Good morning, Fort Collins. Good morning, Colorado. Good morning, America. Do you see any violent protesters in this crowd? This goes out to Mike Johnson and to all of you. We're all in this boat together. I fear these times of darkness in life and in our hearts. So much noise and anger, we're all so far apart. I wonder how this happened. It didn't used to be. My, how far we've drifted from friends to enemies. But we're all in this boat together. It's time to lift an oar. And if we row in rhythm, we'll reach a friendly shore. See the solemn faces where smiles used to be. No more laughter and singing, no more harmony. But we're all in this boat together. It's time to lift an oar. And if we row in rhythm, we'll reach a friendly shore. There's hope in the future of our children. Their time will surely come to lead in a new direction, shared by everyone. 'Cause we're all in this boat together. It's time to lift an oar. And if we row in rhythm, we'll reach a friendly shore. Help me out! 'Cause we're all in this boat together. It's time to lift an oar. And if we row in rhythm, we'll reach a friendly